Speech buddies use targets to help patients improve their tongue placement and coordination. The R speech buddy encourages the tongue tip to curl up and back in the mouth, a motion that is necessary to correctly produce the R sound. To use the R speech buddy, hold the handle with the speech buddy logo pointing up and position the coil in the mouth such that the coil is directly behind the upper front teeth and centered in the mouth. Hold the speech buddy loosely in your hand and confirm that the two sets of bumps on the speech buddy's coil lightly rest on the tip of the tongue. Once the speech buddy is in position, hold the handle firmly and ask the patient to attempt to unroll the coil with his or her tongue tip while simultaneously saying the R sound or a simple word such as ring or rabbit. If the R sound is pronounced correctly, the patient will be able to feel the speech buddy either fully or partially uncoil. If the sound is pronounced incorrectly, it will not uncoil.